With PJ Mac HVAC air duct cleaning, you can breathe better air right away. Our indoor air quality solutions remove pollutants, make your house more comfortable, and safeguard it. Dirty ducts spread allergens, smells, and dust, which makes the system work less well and makes symptoms worse. Our comprehensive cleaning restores airflow, lowers energy bills, and extends the life of the system, making every room healthier and fresher. Act now to see instant improvements in your home. Contact us today to schedule your free consultation. Are you looking for an indoor air quality solutions service near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC air duct cleaning. What are the signs of poor indoor air quality? Poor indoor air quality shows through allergens, dust buildup, odor, high humidity, poor ventilation, mold presence, weak circulation, and declining comfort, impacting health, efficiency, and overall indoor environment conditions. How do HVAC systems impact indoor air quality? HVAC systems control indoor air quality through ventilation, filtration, purification, and circulation, removing pollutants, allergens, and odor while maintaining humidity, improving comfort, efficiency, and protecting overall health and environment. What is the service area for your Swarthmore, Pennsylvania location? Our indoor air quality solutions service has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Swarthmore, Media, Glen Riddle, Brookhaven, Upland, Parkside, Village Green, Lima, Chester, Eddystone, Ridley Park, Folsom, Rutledge, Glenolden, Fulcroft, Leicester, Morton, Wallingford, Moylan, and Elwyn, Pennsylvania. Where is your Swarthmore, Pennsylvania indoor air quality solutions service office located? We are located at 630 Fairview Road, number 110, Swarthmore, Pennsylvania 19081. Our phone number is 610-424-6275. Visit our website, pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-Swarthmore.